So what I want to do here is chapter 1H, number 1A. And in this one, our root function, or our parent function, is going to be y equals x squared. So some common points that we can use with that would be negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So then the first thing that I'm going to do with that is I'm going to end up multiplying the x terms by 2. So I'm replacing x squared with 2x squared. And remember what that means is when I multiply the x term by 2, that's going to be a horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/2. So it basically takes all my x values and halves them. Oh, let me get that whole thing. Okay, so that means that instead of plugging in negative 2 over here, that's the same thing as plugging in 1 right here, because then it gets doubled, right? So negative 1, I'm going to have all my x's. So negative 1 gives me 4. Negative 1/2 will give me 1. 0 cut in half is still 0. 1 cut in half is a half, and then that'll give me 1. And then this will give me 4. Okay, now the next step is I'm going to take what I had there, these new y values of 2x squared, and I'm going to throw a negative in front. And what that negative does is it reflects over the x-axis, which is the same thing as switching all the y signs, right? You could say, I guess it's like a vertical stretch by a factor of negative 1, but that's basically just flipping it over. So all the y values will change sign. So this negative 1, 4 is going to turn into negative 1, negative 4. And then this one's going to turn into negative 1/2, negative 1. And this stays at 0, 0. This will turn into 1/2, negative 1. And this will turn into 1, negative 4. So if we plot those points, let's plot 0, 0 first, because that's the easiest. Then I've got negative 1/2, negative 1. So right there. And positive 1/2, negative 1. And then negative 1, negative 4. And positive 1, negative 4. So I get this really thin parabola here that goes down like that.